Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language courses. One unintended upshot of Putin's decision to invade Ukraine has been the fact that not only have Sweden and Finland now applied for NATO membership, but Ukraine itself has now requested accelerated accession to NATO. And this comes after its membership hopes had been in limbo for many years. If you say that something is in limbo, you mean it's in a situation or a state where it's not certain what's going to happen. You have to wait and see to find out what's going to happen. So, for example, lots of people who've been displaced by the war that's going on at the moment are currently living in limbo, or they are in limbo. They can't really settle down and put down roots in the places that they're currently staying. But at the same time, they can't really go home at the moment because the war's continuing. So they're living in this kind of weird halfway house. The idea of being in limbo, by the way, is originally a Catholic idea. And it's this idea that for non-Christian people, I'm guessing some non-Christian people, I don't know, I'm not an expert on these things, but the idea is that when you die, you go to this place of limbo, where you're between heaven and hell, and it's not yet been decided which place you'll go to. It also, we use this expression when we're talking about moving quite a lot. So maybe you're looking to buy a flat and you put in an offer and it's accepted, but you can't move in yet because the people living there haven't moved out, they haven't found a place to live. So maybe you end up staying back at your parents or staying with friends until you can move in. So you're in limbo. We also talk about people being caught in legal limbo. Maybe if you're applying for asylum or you're applying for refugee status in a particular country, there could be a 6-month, 1 year, 2 year legal process while all the documentation is sorted out. And during that time, you're stuck, you're trapped in legal limbo. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Helps other people find out about what we do. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use in limbo.